Okay, today I'm making fennel my star ingredient. And what I'm gonna do is a salad with fennel, orange, radishes, baby arugula, apple cider vinegar, and some olive oil. I'll also add salt and pepper. So let's make it. All right, my first layer is a cup or two of baby arugula. And I like to chop it a little bit smaller so it's more mixed in the salad. Next, I'm gonna add in some radishes. Radishes add a nice peppery taste to the salad and kind of balance out the sweetness of the orange and the fennel. Next, I'm adding half of an orange. That's all you need for a small salad. I removed all the skin so you don't have any chewy parts that kind of won't mix well with the salad. So all you need is a half, and just use the meat of an orange. All right, last in is the star ingredient. I'm gonna add this fennel to the salad. So it's about a quarter of a bulb, and I'm gonna use all of it for the salad, and I'm going to slice it really thin and small. All right, as you can tell, I've added my fennel, and it's definitely a lot of fennel because it is a fennel salad. So last step, I'm gonna add olive oil and apple cider vinegar. All right, last step, I'm gonna add apple cider vinegar, just 1 teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This is a half tablespoon, so I'll add 1 more, and then a pinch of salt. All right, stir and the salad is done. Looks delicious. I'm ready to try it.